Another expression which really undermines what you're saying, what your message is when you deliver your message and then at the end of your message, you say, if that makes sense. And usually you have explained what you're trying to explain very clearly, very precisely. But because a lack of confidence, because you're feeling a little bit unsure yourself, you say, if that makes sense. That's the moment at which you lose the person that you're talking to. They lose confidence in what you're saying. What you should be saying is, would you like me to delve a little bit deeper on this? That doesn't undermine your message, but it does give the person that you're talking to the option to ask you for more details if they want to. 9 times out of 10, they won't ask you. And the message, in fact, would have hit home exactly how you wanted it to.